Hi, it's Eric from iMassage, and I've got a money move for you today. So a money move is a move that clients come in and say, don't forget to do that thing that you did last time that really helped my lower leg. So this is a great technique that we're going to demonstrate for the anterior lower compartment to address the tibialis muscle and the extensor digitorum longus. And I also wanted to throw this out as a teaser, one of the techniques I teach in my workshops. So let's go to the table, and Cindy's on the table here. I'm going to bring her leg up into flexion at the knee and the hip and see if that's comfortable for her. Now you want to find the tibial tuberosity. So the tibial tuberosity is the bony knee. And in a moment what I'm going to do is set up my body mechanic so that I'm coming directly into her with one leg extended forward, coming directly from my core. Now body mechanics are something that I teach a lot in my workshops, and it's really the foundation of everything that we do. So if you really want to have a long career in massage, you need to maintain your vertical alignment and really watch that you're moving from your core and not your shoulder girdles. So as I bring my outside leg forward, I'm going to sit my body weight into that front leg. I'm going to stabilize right on the medial side of her knee here. And as I bring my forearm into her, in a moment I'm going to drop just below her tibial tuberosity and land into her tibialis muscle. Now the active movement piece of this is really great. So as you're working with your clients, you want to call them into active movement. Here it is. And you'll actually need to train your clients how to do this so they don't move too quickly. So in a moment, Cindy, what I'd like you to do is just extend your toes slowly off the table and keep them in extension. Then you're going to extend off the table into dorsiflexion at the ankle. When I ask you to relax, you're going to go in reverse. So you're going to relax down into the table, bringing into plantar flexion, and then relaxing your toes back to the table. So that's the active movement piece. Stabilize the knee, bring the last third of my forearm right into her tibialis muscle. I drop my shoulders, stabilize my body weight, and I just sink in. Now the first stroke can be a warming stroke. So as I move forward, my elbow starts to shift down. I'm not staring at what I'm doing, so I'm bringing my head up out of that forward head posture and looking up at her face. So her face will tell me just about everything we need to know here. The wrist relaxes. And you can take this all the way down to the retinaculum. Now the second pass, I'm going to check in about the pressure, and then we're going to call her into that active movement. So I hook in, I drop into her tissue, and in terms of pressure here, Cindy, would you like more, less, or the same? Okay, so we're right on that edge of her resistance. Now I can call her into the movement. So as you're ready, let's have you extend your toes and extend your ankle. And then relax your ankle and relax your toes. I'm just dropping my body weight down. Pressure still okay? So really check in with your clients and ask more, less, or the same amount of pressure. That really gives you an accurate reading. If you wanted to do the same technique, you could come out a little bit more laterally onto the extensor digitorum muscle. Change your body mechanic just slightly. Hook in just off the tibialis muscle and drop down. And again, extending your toes. When you come to a red light and fascia, you stop. If you have a green light, keep going, even through the movement. And relaxing. Wonderful technique to open up the lateral compartment of the leg, a place where shin splinting occurs, a place where a lot of tension throughout the body, and your clients are going to love this one. So give it a shot, and I hope to see you out on the road.